one. Hi everyone, this is Christine Justy of Mail Something Pretty, and this should be a quick video. I just wanted to show you the new Stampin' Seal, which is a new adhesive. When you get it, it comes just like this in a resealable plastic pouch, which makes it nice if you throw it in a bag to go, a friend's house to go stamping, or, it's easy to carry. The cover just fell off. So there's a cover that I actually put a dot on the cover because they're easy to lose, but they're a little tight at first. But it's clear, and so you might not know which way to put on the top. So I just put a mark, so I know that that's the top. That goes like that. You can, this one is a brand new one, so I'm going to use one that I already have, and I put my name on it in case I'm stamping with someone, but I lost my cover. That's why I wanted to show you that one. I'm going to show you how you use it, but before I do that, I'm going to show you that you can actually open them up. There's the front side, I guess, and the back side, and they are interchangeable with the, I don't have one up here, the Seal Plus, which looks just like this, except for it's a dark blue, and that's a stronger adhesive. They work the exact, well, they work almost the same way. But sometimes I actually do take it apart because sometimes you get a little gunk, a little sticky gunk in here. Get a little there. And so that actually prevents it from working as great. And so, oh yeah, here's a big, you can see how it's sticky. So every so often, if you find that it's not working as it should, open up your case and take out some of that gunk. All right, and then also you can check your cover because it might be in there too. And so they sell refills, and they look just like this. It's just a smaller pouch, and they come, looks exact same way. So when this is empty, and you'll see a red strip when it's empty, you just take your refill and you'll pop it right back in. But since this one's not done, I'll just pop it in. But there's two holes, there's two little pieces here. They go right in like that. And this goes right on top, and you just kind of click it together. So that's how you kind of clean it and also do the refill. So I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to make a quick little card, a little Christmas card. And so, but I want to show you the right technique on how to use it. So I'm just going to, I happen to like my finger up top, and there's a little rough piece up here, so it's kind of like a finger marking. I put my thumb and my middle finger on the sides, and I push down and I just pull back with an even pressure. Don't lift up because that will create that sticky gunk. What you want to do is just kind of rock forward and then lift up. So, you pull back and you rock forward and then lift up. If I were to, let's see, if I were to just pull straight up, can you see that? You don't want that. So you're gonna have to kind of just rock it forward. I also find that this is much stickier. Look how sticky it is, stronger than the seal that it replaced. So sometimes I'm just putting a strip on two of the long sides, and that's all I need. But for this card, I did extra just to show you. And so let me just kind of hold that, but see how sticky it is? And that's just the regular seal. The Seal Plus is even stronger. I should have brought that up here to show you. Oh shoot, I forgot to put my ribbon on. Okay, well this one, this is what it was going to look like. Let's see if I can get it off. See how strong it is. Let's see. Well, I'm just going to do the ribbon a little differently on this card. We are just going to, let's see, improvise and tie a bow. And let's see how it looks. All right, let's kind of scoot that up, and going to tuck that underneath, so I'm just going to, oh, so I didn't get any there. So sometimes you need to rotate it just a little bit till the sticky comes out. And the important part is just to do that rock forward. I'm going to tuck this under, and then I'll use dimensionals. Okay, well, it's not what I had in mind, but it's kind of cute. I'll just add what I had on this one. A couple little pearls, just to dress it up. Again, really, I just wanted to show you these seal. There we go. So the difference really, I'm going to call them the wrong name. The Fast Fuse was the old name. The Seal Plus, again, the darker blue, is a stronger adhesive, and this is plenty strong, but it's good for boxes and more of the interactive cards. But if you have trouble using this, and some people have, and that's why I wanted to show you that rocking motion, the Seal Plus does not have that issue, because the after you pull it back, the Seal Plus has all perforations, so all little breaking points, so you can lift up on the that. It's just stronger, and it'll cost a little bit more money. But if you have trouble with this, you may want to resort to using the Plus, and you will be happy. Okay, I hope I didn't confuse you with my mix-up, but again, I just wanted to show you the pull back and rock forward and then lift to the seal. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Christine Josty of Mail Something Pretty. Have a good day. Bye-bye.